Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Mehul Shah. Today we are going to learn about the material accounts, the formulas of the account. The chapter is the base of this chapter is to identify the level of stocks in godown. So we need to identify when we need to put the order, how much quantity of order we should put. So it is the mechanism is all about stock management system in godown. Okay, so let us start material account. I'm sharing my screen, and you can see the formulas on your screen. So we are about to learn the material accounts. You can check on your screen. So there are certain formulas in this chapter. So let us start with formula number one, that is economic ordering quantity. Now, economic ordering quantity, two words are there. First is economic and second is ordering quantity. So, how much quantity you need to order, that it will be at cheapest rate. So, we should identify the quantity, that it is when we order it should at very least price. Okay. So the formula to identify economic ordering quantity is under root 2 AO divided by CP, under root 2 AO divided by CP, where A stands for A is equal to annual consumption. A stands for annual consumption. O stands for ordering cost. O stands for ordering cost. C stands for carrying cost. Carrying cost. And P is equal to price per unit. Price per unit. P is equal to price per unit. So it is about economic ordering quantity under root 2 AO divided by CP. Now, carrying cost is given in two ways. Either it is in rupees format or in percentage format. Either it is in percentage format or it is in rupees format. So whenever carrying cost is given in percentage format, we will use the same formula. I'm repeating, whenever the carrying cost is given in percentage form, we will use the same formula. But if it is given in rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 7 rupees, so we will ignore the value of P. Okay, so the formula will be under root 2 AO divided by C only. Okay, again, if carrying cost is given in percentage, if carrying cost is given in percentage, 5%, 7%, 8%, 10%, so we'll use the same formula. But if it is given in rupees format, so we'll ignore the value of P. Only we'll take 2AO divided by C. Okay. Let us move towards next formula is ordering level. Ordering level is equal to maximum consumption, maximum consumption into maximum consumption into maximum time. So two words will remain constant in this chapter. First is consumption and second is time. You are having three types of consumption and three types of time. Okay, maximum time, minimum time, and average time, as well as maximum consumption, average consumption, and minimum consumption. Okay, so ordering level is equal to maximum level into maximum time. Next is minimum level. Minimum level is equal to ordering level minus into bracket average consumption into average consumption into average time. Okay, so next is maximum level. Maximum level is equal to ordering level minus into bracket minimum consumption into minimum time plus economic ordering quantity. Okay, so minimum level is equal to ordering level minus minimum consumption into minimum time plus EOQ. So in both minimum and maximum level, we are in need of ordering level. So before calculating minimum and maximum level, you all need to have the value of ordering level. Okay, so moving towards next, it is danger level. Danger level is equal to average consumption into maximum time for emergency purchase. Maximum time for emergency purchase. Okay. Next is safety stock level. Safety stock level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum time minus average time. Maximum time minus average time. Okay. Next is okay. This is about safety stock level, which is calculated by maximum consumption into bracket maximum time minus average time. Now, next is uh, average level. Average level is equal to minimum level plus 1 upon 2 EOQ. Minimum level plus 1 upon 2 EOQ. Okay, so it is for average stock level. Okay, safety stock level, average level. Okay, we can consider average stock level by minimum level plus maximum level divide by 2 also. But normally we will calculate it by taking 1 by 2 EOQ. If there is a certain instruction like that you need to use minimum and maximum, so we'll go for minimum level plus maximum level divide by 2. Elsewhere we will use 1 by 2 EOQ. Okay, so average level is equal to minimum level plus 1 upon 2 EOQ. Uh, Okay, so the formula is on screen. Average level is equal to minimum level plus 1 by 2 EOQ. Okay, now moving towards, as we are having consumption and time. Three types of consumption is there and three types of time is there. So we'll calculate average time and average consumption. Average consumption, you can use the word uses instead of consumption. Both will works. Average consumption is equal to minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. Minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2, and is the same. Average time is equal to minimum time plus maximum time divided by 2. Minimum time plus maximum time divided by 2. Okay, so it is for consumption and time. Okay, if any two value is there, if any two value is there, we will we can identify the third one with this formula. Okay, so next is number of orders. Next is number of orders to be placed in year. पूरे साल में कितने टाइम्स ऑर्डर हम प्लेस करेंगे. ओके, सो इट इज नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स टू बी प्लेस्ड इन ईयर is equal to annual consumption annual consumption divide by EOQ. Now annual consumption आपको पूरे साल में कितनी क्वांटिटी चाहिए, एंड EOQ हम इंडिकेट करता है कि एक ऑर्डर में हम कितना ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं. सो एनुअल कंजम्पशन डिवाइड बाय EOQ, सो विल गेट द आंसर कि हमें पूरे साल में कितने टाइम्स ऑर्डर प्लेस करना है. ओके, अब नेक्स्ट इज टाइम लैग बिटवीन टू ऑर्डर्स. Okay, it is time between two orders. Okay, आपको पूरे साल में 10 ऑर्डर प्लेस कर रहे हैं. वी नीड टू प्लेस 10 टाइम, 15 टाइम और 17 ऑर्डर्स इन होल ईयर. बट एट हाउ मच गैप वी नीड टू प्लेस द ऑर्डर. ओके, फर्स्ट और सेकंड के बीच में कितना गैप होगा, सेकंड और थर्ड के बीच में कितना गैप होगा. सो विद दिस फॉर्मूला विल गेट द आंसर कि आपको फर्स्ट और सेकंड के बीच में कितना गैप मेंटेन करना है. So answer is, the formula is 365 divided by number of orders. 365 divided by number of orders. Okay. Time between two orders is equal to 365 divided by number of orders. We it will be available in screen. Okay. So the formula is on your screen. Time between two orders 365 divided by number of orders. Next, uh, material turnover ratio. Material turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold divided by average stock. Cost of goods sold divided by average stock. Okay. So again, we need to identify how we will calculate the amount of cost of goods as well as average stock. So again, we'll write the cost of goods sold. I'll write in short form COGS, means cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock, or if there is no data regarding opening and closing stock, so again with the another formula we can calculate COGS. So COGS का दूसरा formula is equal to sales minus closing stock is equal to sales minus closing stock. Okay, and average stock is equal to average stock is equal to opening stock plus closing stock, opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. So it is regarding average stock. And the last formula for this chapter, so uh, it is material turnover period. Material turnover period is equal to 365 divided by material turnover ratio. 365 divided by material turnover ratio. So this is about this chapter. Minimum level, maximum level, safety stock level, danger level, stock turnover. Okay, so we need to keep this formula as in mind, so we are able to consider or calculate the value of material account. So it is about material account. Thank you.